ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Magnolia's Classic. Break quickly, start moving up. Eagle Swings. Then comes Perfectionist. Reyes Gold, Daredevil. Then next online is Good Humor. We have Magnolia's Classic. Eagle Swings is down on the inside second. 8 lengths further back in third comes Reyes Gold, Perfectionist. Good Humor comes next while Daredevil is the early trailer now by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Eagle Swings by about 2 lengths. Magnolia's Classic in second. 4 lengths further back in third comes Reyes Gold. Alongside comes Good Humor. Perfectionist comes next, while Daredevil is still running at the tail of the field. Inside the Tres Octavo, we have Eagle Swings by about 3 lengths. Reyes Gold, Good Humor is on the outside. Perfectionist comes next. Magnolia's Classic and Daredevil is still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Eagle Swings maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Reyes Gold in second. Good Humor. Perfectionist is down on the inside. Daredevil, Magnolia's Classic with about 150 meters more to run. Eagle Swings followed by Reyes Gold. Running by the rail is Perfectionist, but it's still Eagle Swings, Reyes Gold, Perfectionist, and finally Eagle Swings. Close between the Perfectionist, Reyes Gold. Then comes number 4, Good Humor.
Clear win.